Good evening, everyone. My name is Rajesh, and I'm a part of Culture Shock. We bring to you music on the big mic. This is the only open mic for musicians in the city. Got an interesting bunch of musicians tonight. I would like to welcome all of you, people sitting behind the pillar that said hi. In case you haven't come here for the music, you are all welcome to join us. We'll get a mix of rappers, musicians, instrumentalists in the next hour or so. To kick things off, I think I'd have to kind of look towards my right and catch the attention of Mr. Ashwini Kumar. He's also affectionately called as A-list, one of the top rappers in the city. And Ashwini would like to kickstart the evening for us.
Okay, hi. So we're gonna start the evening with a couple of songs. These are freestyle style songs. I have the concept, and I just want to freestyle with it and see where it goes. So the first song is this track called "Stop the Hate." I'll just let you check it out. Track 5. Stop the hate, it's not so fake. Go off the way, you gotta stop the hate. Stop the hate, the mic is not really working, but I gotta make sure I express what's really hurting. So stop the hate, hip hop the state in which it's existing. You see now you are listening all of the things that is wrong with this musical genre. So I gotta make sure that I speak with my honor. So come on man, you know me, you know I gotta probe it. Now why a rapper so motherfucking homophobic? This is something I want to address with this song. So let me go ahead, yo, let me stress on it all. So stop the hate and go operate. Let's drop the state of hip hop so great. It was, but it's getting a little fake. So let's go ahead, let me go and redate. So a lot of MCs think that they can say that you act and diss you because you happen to be gay. And gay is a punchline in these chumps rhymes nowadays. But I don't get it, you see, for me I am just amazed with these kids and how they rap, how they rhyme and they lie. So the shit is so rap, let me go and rewind. So let me get this, so your inspiration is to diss someone for their sexual orientation. And before you get all gangsta greasy bitch, who the fuck do you know who is Eazy-E? Now half the community knows that he was really gay. Come on, tell me you can't see this, tell me what you say. So stop the hate and cooperate with the knowledge that I bring to you on this stage. So if you acknowledge what's really gonna happen, let me tell you what is the origin of rapping. That's right, you know me, yes I do words, but we do all this up to Kool Herc. That was the man who started this retarded shit when he first decided to fit your rhyme and put heart in this. But really, before you do that, before you spit flow, hip hop owes its origination to disco. And disco was a form that was, well, come on, disco. Disco was the culture of people who used to swing both ways. Now you gonna tell me that you know ways, but you don't really know the origin of the culture, what it's really about. So if you don't know hip hop, you have no right to shout on the mic. This is hype, this is psych. I'm a gangster, I'm a thug. Bitch, please, what you really need is a hug. What you really need is a reality check on the beat. So let me go ahead, yo, I got some shit to speak. Let me make some eye contact with the rappers that I know. And I know for a fact that they're no rapper is a flow than me. But sometimes the station, like bitch, you be gay. So what? What does it have to do with my lyrical skit? Oh wait, so I got my start in the city, rapping at drums and for gay rights. So you know exactly that I'm stronger in my mind and my soul and my rhyme and my flow. So I gotta understand, you rewind this and know. So stop the hate, cooperate, drop the state of hip hop, it's fake. We need to really screw this what's up with all of the fucking bullshit and lies, yo. Being gay doesn't make you whack in this culture, no it doesn't. Being whack makes you whack into this culture. Listen to cousin, being gay doesn't make you whack in this culture, my cousin. Being whack makes you whack. So listen, this isn't the hustle beat, this is just what I speak. So let me go ahead, yo, let me just repeat. So if you happen to be someone whose judgment is final, it doesn't matter if you prefer penis or vagina, as long as you go with the mic, you spoken it right. As long as you do that, and as long as you know how to write, as long as you know it's me poetry, flow can be so many G's. Now you understand exactly what I show and see. This is hip hop, this is about the mic, the skill, this is about nothing else. And if you say shit, I will kill any MC in my way, but that's what I say. I'm not the sponsors, I'm also ill. That allows the skill, allows me the space to say things that you would normally not listen. So I gotta go ahead, you see, this is my mission. So stop the hate and go off the way and stop the state of hip hop. It's great. So all of you who put faggot in your rhymes, you need to drop that habit. That's right, my mind will then locate you, and I hate you, and then I rape you, lyrically berate you and take you to places where you really wanna go. But then I found my oasis. You think you got the flow? I fool you, telling you're not rap, but rap is what you are. So stop the hate, or I'ma leave you with scars. Whoa. एक मिनट, I need some water.